All right, folks, welcome back to the ranch. So today we're going to get to talk about another perk of being a content creator. We always get all kinds of neat stuff sent to us. We get collaborations. Strangely enough, we were just talking about here a few weeks back about the handrail that we wanted to put on this house. Well, lo and behold, a few days later, we actually had Muzata reach out to us. They're the manufacturer of some really high quality 316 stainless cable railing parts. We have some trim pieces, there's a sleeve, we got tensioners here, we have a hydraulic crimp, and we have our black coated stainless steel. It's a 7/7 wire, so you actually have 49 strands in it. Very high tensile. It's going to be beautiful. The black cable is going to look really nice in the house. We got black windows. So anyway, we're going to show you how we're going to do this today. It's a very simple system and it's very affordable, especially for you DIY people. This particular setup is for wood post installation. So you can have extruded aluminum handrail, you can do wood. There's a lot of different products you can do. You can do cap PVC, and they have all the different products to go along with that system you're going to be putting in. So we're going to be installing this today, and I can't wait. It's going to look beautiful. Check it out. Here's your tensioner. This is going to go into the post. Your cable is going to feed in through this end, come out this side. You're going to put a crimp on your cable. You're going to engage that into your post, and you're going to use this tool right here, slips around the cable, and you're going to twist it in to your post, and that is what's going to tension the cable. This will go on both ends. It's a very clean look. Use your terminals. Here's our little trim sleeves. These will go into the post. This is the hydraulic crimper. It has different dies you can put in there for all different size crimps, wire. So you're just gonna go ahead and pump this up. Boom, that'll crimp it. It has a retraction. Just go ahead and open this valve. It's spring retractable. And here are your dies. You can go ahead and pull this pin, and that is how you change your dies. They also supplied us with a cable cutter. This will make life much easier. It'll keep it from fraying. As you see, when these jaws come together, they will actually trap it. They won't cut like scissors. When you come together like that, it tries to squirt out whatever's in there. If you ever cut something hard with scissors or shears, snip, you know what I'm talking about. It tries to press it out. As these close, they actually trap the wire in there. You can see the point comes together first. What we're gonna do to make this really quick and simple and a very repeatable process, since we have so many posts to drill through, we're just gonna make a template. We're gonna take this board, make our layout marks, drill holes in it, and this will go up on the side of the post and be clamped to it. And then we're just gonna put our drill bit right through to make our marks. We're gonna drill from both sides of our 6x6 posts and join in the middle. So we have precision. If you drill from one side, you're not gonna come out on the other side where you want to. So you're gonna drill on both sides and meet in the middle. Here's my filming crew. So if you hear babbling, folks, that's that little one. Where you hopefully feel the channel. And I just did right there. Don't go any further. That one met. Now the fear is the first time, don't just go all the way through first pass. Hey, whiner. Because you might be coming out just next to the other hole and you'll elongate it. So, and then your sleeve won't fit and it's a mess. So it's kind of a little bit of a process. You got to do both sides twice. One with the short bit and then again with the longer bit. This is where we're coming through now. That one felt a little funny. So you're going to want to look at the other side. There you go. Perfect center. Let's try that again. Hey, what do you know? Okay. You like it? Now. What are you doing there, bud? So what we got here, these are our stays. These are going to be supporting in between the top rail. so it doesn't sag over time and it just look really sharp. So what we're doing is we're drilling from both sides using a template, joining the hole in the middle. So here's the provided bit that it comes with. It's a little carbide spade. So that'll give us the right final size hole. We actually ground it down just a tiny bit with the flapper disc to make it just a hair tighter. We wanted these really snug going in. This wood is a little green still, so we didn't want them loosening up and falling out. So that's what we got. All those. Still got all those and these to do. Oh, fine. Right. All right, 1, 2.
Ready? You got your screws? Yeah.
You got 2 inches?
Yeah.
This thing's cut this stuff like butter. Oh, okay. Cutting 8 to length. All we're doing here is we're going to set these with pliers. Just squeeze them on a little bit, and then we'll use the hydraulics to really give them the final crimp. Okay, and it gets wedged in there. I'd say she's crimped.
Oh. Okay. Nice. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay, about there. And again, we're learning. We don't know exactly how much stretch is going to be in this, but this is stainless steel wire. It's not going to stretch much. Yeah, don't zoom in on my face. Don't break your camera.
Great.
I'd say she crimped, boys. This is the part. It crimps it in there so tight, you have to kind of get like rowdy and yank it out of there. All right, we got all these guys crimped on here. So far, just to explain, this isn't rocket science. No offense to anybody who installs cable railing. You know, we were professional deck installers and contractors in Idaho. And I would say on a difficulty scale, there's some fitting. There's a lot of little pieces and parts, but this is not difficult. If you have basic skills and you can operate a drill and a pair of cutters and a crimper, you know, if you can install this rail, you can install this cable. It's very simple. It's really cut and dry. So, all right, so we just got the first one started here. We're just gonna go ahead here and start threading them in. See if I can't get them all crossed up. That'll be awesome. Like some modern art. Now they make all sorts of different tensioners. They have turnbuckle style. They have them for their aluminum handrail. They have them for all different stuff. This just happens to be the system that I chose for our wooden posts. Man, those are some gnarly things. It's all stainless. It is sharp. Solid stainless. And I mean, it looks like it's all machined too. It's really well made. Look at those things. Yeah, that's all machined. It's not cast. Pretty cut and dry. Oh yeah, love it. Last couple ones on this run, boy, I'm excited because it's cold and I'm ready to be done. Whew. My knees are chilling. Old man knees that are cold. Bad combo.
And no knee pads.
Oh, I know. Extra stupid.
It's great.
Ooh, that looks sharp.
That looks great.
Woo! Looky, looky. Okay. All right, guys, so at the end of this project here, we've got about half of it complete. Really happy with the product. It's really super simple to install, high quality materials. Thank you, Muzata, for reaching out to us and hooking us up with the materials to try these out and give it a review. It's easy to install. There's a lot of little pieces, yes. It's requires low skill to install. This is not difficult stuff to work with. So, you know, a homeowner with basic mechanical carpentry skills can install this stuff, no problem. The price point is excellent. It is way, way cheaper than going to, say, a local lumber yard and ordering a railing system. So something you should definitely check out. Go look at Muzata's products on their website, MuzataRailing.com. Very pleased. Comes in all different shapes, sizes, and applications, so check it out. That's it for us here on the ranch. We appreciate it, and we'll see you on the next one.